We proceed in our discussion of drive belts with some important maintenance tips and recommendations. As a general rule, a newly fitted set of belts or even a single belt should be run in. New belts, after initial tensioning, should be run on load for approximately 4 hours, during which time they will bed in. The tension should be reassessed and, if applicable, readjusted to the specified limits after the bedding in period. Properly installed belts and correct pulley alignment are the key to low maintenance on such drives. But on occasion, things do go wrong. Problems with belts include slipping and contamination, usually with oil or chemicals. Oil leaks on machinery should be rectified by replacing leaky seals or gaskets. Only dry wipe a belt if necessary. Never use solvents or lubricants, as these will reduce the frictional properties, resulting in slip and belt damage. Never force a belt during fitting over the pulleys. If the belt doesn't fit, even after fully slackening the movable unit, then you're fitting the wrong belt. This belt was ruptured as a result of force fitting. Join us again in further Tech AV technical training programs.